Hello, Roofers Coffee Shop. This is Dirk Andrews. I work for GE Enduris over on the eastern United States. Uh, Working from home, obviously, here in my office in Tampa, Florida.
Good morning, Roofers Coffee Shop. This is Mark Holt. I'm the Western Regional Account Manager working out of Denver, Colorado.
Hi, Roofers Coffee Shop. This is Bob Creighton. I'm in Huntersville, North Carolina.
We want to talk about GE silicone roof coating. Our product, Enduris, is a great product for recoats on commercial roofing. Basically 95% primerless, depending on the application. No mixing required, no smell, and you don't have to disrupt any businesses right now. So there's a lot of contractors doing a lot of work right now.
GE Silicones for the roofing market is 100% focused on silicones. We start with the silicone element, the rock. We crush that, we break that down, and we create all the different components that then we mix back together to create the bucket or the drum or the toad of silicone coating that we offer to you. So we control that manufacturing process, and we control the quality all the way through, and we're not subject to the whims and the ups and downs of market demand with raw materials.
So instead of removing your roof and replacing it with a new roof, if it's in good enough condition, you can keep your existing roof in place and simply coat over the top of it with our Enduris silicone roof coating. The big advantage to a silicone roof coating compared to other types of coating is that it's inorganic chemistry. So it will not break down under intense UV or infrared light, and in 20 years, the thickness that you put down the first day will still be there along with the elongation. We don't lose any elongation properties to the silicone film over the life of the roof.
Super easy to use. A lot of the contractors will just take the 5-gallon buckets up on the roof, pour some out, squeegee it into place into the area they're working on currently, and then they'll come in and back roll it. You can achieve the mill requirements very easily. It sets up really quick. It starts curing within 30 minutes. Well, I think a lot of contractors prefer the GE silicone, the Enduris product, because of a couple things. Number one, you don't have to mix it. You open the pail and it's ready to use. Number two, there's 95% of the time you don't need a primer. So you can go up there on a clean, dry roof, and once all the detailing's done, all your seams have been flashed, all the repairs have been made, you can put down the coating, and it's a very quick process.
And to add to Mark's point about how easy this is for a contractor and its benefits, you can build a 20-year system in one coat application.